everyone, welcome to my channel, and here I am in Roblox. Well, you know why I'm in Roblox? You may be asking why. So, it's because I'm going to be destroying Vista. But, uh, if I just search Windows here, there's a lot of results. See? So now we're going to be going over to Vista, and now wait for it to load. You can click 7 or B. Yeah, that's skipped. Okay, so here's Vista. Now, at first, this may seem a bit normal, but we're actually going to the internet, have a store. Yeah, Windows XP or edition. Download. You may think my computer is actually Vista, right? What is this? No, this is so serious. What? A computer's glitching out.